Welcome to the introduction of the new SN74AXC4T774 by Texas Instruments. In today's complex systems with multiple operating voltage nodes, there is often a need to shift I/O levels between devices that operate at different voltage nodes. The most common example is the communication between a processor and a peripheral device that operate at two different voltage nodes, such as 3.3 volts and 0.8 volts, as shown here. The level shifting device in this example helps in shifting the output of the processor down to 0.8 volts to meet the input level requirements of the peripheral device. Conversely, the voltage translator shifts the output voltage of the peripheral device up to meet the 3.3 volt input level requirements of the processor. Level translators are an essential building block of today's system signal chains. The SN74AXC4T774 is TI's latest 4-channel low-voltage level translator that is capable of supporting level translation requirements between 0.65 volts and 3.6 volts. In addition to supporting the industry's lowest voltage translation range, the device also supports flexible power sequencing enabling glitch-free power performance, operation between -40°C to 125°C for its operating temperature ranges, and the device is able to support 12 milliamp current drives. What makes the SN74AXC4T774 unique from the rest of the AXC family is that it has independent channel control, where each channel has its own direction pin, allowing for different configurations of voltage translation. Most direction-controlled voltage translators have all channels transmitting in the same direction. If a signal needs to be translated the other direction, the signal has to be routed to a second voltage translator. Many popular interfaces such as SPI require this, as shown here. With the SN74AXC4T774, each channel can be configured as needed. For many SPI devices, the slave-to-master signal is positioned in between the master-to-slave signal and the selection pin. In this example, the SN74AXC4T774 has its third channel configured to translate the opposite direction of channels 1, 2, and 4, simplifying the routing for this design. Another common example is two UART interfaces. Previously, two voltage translators would have been needed for this design. In addition, routing the TX signal and RX signals to each go to separate voltage translators pointing different directions. The SN74AXC4T774 with independent channel configurations can be easily set up to deal with this situation, meaning less routing problems and a quicker, simpler design. For more information on the new SN74AXC4T774, please visit TI's product page. If you have any further questions, you can go to ete.ti.com or watch our other videos at training.ti.com. Thank you for watching.